Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. You are welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I want to show you how to calculate normalized different water index in ArcGIS. What is normalized different water index? It can be defined as the spectral index used in remote sensing to detect and monitor water bodies in a satellite image. NDW equal to green minus NIR divided by green plus NIR, where green equal to band 3, NIR, that is the near infrared ray, equal to band 5. For Landsat 8 data, NDWI equal to band 3 minus band 5 divided by band 3 plus band 5. For Landsat 7 data, NDWI equal to band 3 minus band 4 divided by band 2 plus band 4. How to interpret normalized different water index NDWI values. The NDWI values correspond to the following ranges. 0.2 to 1 is water surface. 0.0 to 0.2 is flooding or humidity. Minus 0.3 to 0.0 is moderate drought or dry land. Minus 1 to minus 0.3 is drought or very dry land. Okay, let's dive into the main tutorial. To do that, we are going to use our band 3 and band 5. So I will add up my band 3 and my band 5 into my ArcGIS interface. Okay, I will add up my band 3 and my band 5. Alright. Okay. Okay, you can see my band 3 and my band 5 has been added. After doing that, you go to your search option. You click on your search option if you don't want to go into long protocol, and then you write Raster Calculator. You write Raster Calculator and click on the search option. An option will pop up. You go to Raster Calculator, that is under Spatial Analysis Tools. You click on it. Then after doing that, you go to you at the right hand side of your option of the window that popped up. You go down, you click on float. After clicking on float, you insert your band 3 minus band 5. After that, divided according to our formula, divided by, you click on float again. You click on float again. Divided by band 3 plus band 5. Okay, then you select your folder location where you want to save your work. Select your folder location and give it a name. You give it a name that you can always remember if you want to search for the work in your laptop. You give it a name. After that, you click on save. then click on OK. Okay, you can see it's running at the downside. Click on OK. You can see it's running at the downside of my laptop. Okay, alright, our raster calculator is now active. Then right click on that the one that I just activate now. That is the normalized different water index, the one that I use raster calculator to. Okay, select the color of your choice. Okay, then click on apply. Then OK, click on apply and OK. Then I have to uncheck my bands, the one that I added, that band 3 and band 5. I have to uncheck that, okay, for me to have my NDWI. Okay, you can see our NDWI is now activated. So I will keep on searching for the color of my choice. Okay, we keep on searching for the color of my choice. Okay, you can see where we have our water body. You can spot all the water bodies in our satellite image. You can see where we have all our water bodies, okay, and our dry land. I have to zoom it very well so that you can see it. You can see it clear. Okay, you have to zoom it very well. All right, you can see where we have our water bodies. You can see the downside of the image. We have a greater portion of water body. All right, you can see all our stream channels. Okay, even our legs. All right, can spot all the water bodies in the satellite image. After doing that, let me reduce my. I have to zoom in my satellite, my NDWI. Sorry. All right. I have to remote and reset my format level, maybe to 2. You click on the NDW, then go to properties, then you click on any of the number, and then go to format level and reduce the format level. I want to use 2 because this other one is, the number is too large, so I have to reduce my format level. Okay, let me reduce it to 2. Okay, after doing that, you click on apply, then okay. you can see our format label has been reduced. Okay, I have to zoom my NDWI to layer. Okay, for it to come up again, I zoom to layer. Alright. According to our NDW value interpretation, -1 to -0.2 is build-up area. -0.20 to -0.17 is no water surface or sparse vegetation. -0.16 to -0.14 is moist soil. So you can use that same formula to interpret for the rest of the value. Please do wait to hit the subscribe button.